Hi guys, Rohit Mahajan this side, and this video is about what happens when you don't run online ads. So, here are the 7 things that happen to you, 7 bad things rather that happen to you when you don't run online ads. So, the number one is your competition is going to kill you, your competition is going to crush you, your competition is going to murder you by your throat. So, they are going to run the ads, they are going to run high budgets on the ads, high budgets, and they are going to crush you. They are going to get all the leads, they are going to get all the sales, they are going to get all the prospects, they are going to get all the trust from the customers. They are going to crush you badly if you are not in the game and if you're not competing with them online in online ads. You have to come up, you have to gather some confidence and run ads to kill your competition. Otherwise you are going to be the one who is going to get killed. Next one is, if you are not found online, you cannot be found offline. So if you are not running ads online, you cannot be found offline. So you need to make sure that you run ads to be found online as well as offline. Number 3 is, you miss a lot of opportunities, you miss a lot of leads, you miss a lot of customers, you miss a lot of prospects, you miss a lot of business. You are missing a lot of opportunities. You have to understand that if you are not running ads online, you have to understand that you are missing the opportunities, you are missing the customers are finding you online, customers are trying to find you online, customers want to do business with you online, but you are not available there. So customers are looking for you online. Number 4 is, you do not get continuous flow of business. You do not have a system in place in which you are going to get leads all the time, no matter what day, what month, what year is it. You do not have a process. You are just relying on God to give you leads. It cannot be done, it cannot happen. You have to work hard to get leads for your business. You have to understand that you have to get continuous flow of business, you have to get continuous leads, you have to get continuous sales to keep the process running, to keep the business running, to keep the doors open. Otherwise it's going to be very tough. If you do not have continuous flow of business and your business is only seasonal, and or you are just relying on nature to provide you leads and business, you are in tough times, brother. You are actually in tough times. Number 5 is, you make your stakeholders, you make your shareholders unhappy. Your shareholders want growth, your shareholders want you to grow the business, your shareholders want you to increase the sales, increase the customers, grow with some rate. If in case there is no, they, all right, understand, we all have limited time. If in case we are not able to achieve that thing in our limited time, we are never going to achieve it. If in case we are not achieving a target in the time we have set, we are not going to achieve it ever. So you will have to understand that we need to achieve the targets, we need to achieve the sales, we need to achieve the goals in the limited time we have. We all have limited time, life is very fragile. So run the ads and go ahead and make sales and do business. And sixth one is, you do not establish, build and position your leadership in your industry. If you are not running ads, you cannot establish your leadership, you cannot establish your authority. And until and unless you are not pushing your leadership in the market, you cannot get the market, you cannot capture the market. You have to dominate the market, you have to capture each and every customer. If your competition is not good, please understand, competition is not good. In as far as in online ads, competition is not good. Until if you have a keyword, if you have a market in which no one is advertising and you are capturing it all, it's good for you. You are going to make a lot of money with it. So competition is not good. You have to be the leadership in your industry, you have to be the leader in the market. So online ads establish you as a leader in your market. And the last one is, this is very interesting, it keeps you, when you don't run online ads, what happens? Just imagine what happens when you don't run online ads, or when you don't run any kind of ad. You do not get business, you do not get leads, you do not get prospects, and you do not do any business. You are just trying to, or asking nature to give you some business so that you can proceed. No, it doesn't work this way. Things don't work like this. You have to push, you have to go ahead, you have to get into an uncomfortable position of advertising online. You have to get into an uncomfortable position of going into that risky zone and then play the game. You cannot play the game while sitting at home. You cannot play the game while you are not doing anything. It is a gamble, I understand. It is a risky game, but it is not a very risky game. You have to bring your whole company into that uncomfortable position of growth. There is no growth in comfortable position. There is growth in uncomfortable position, and you have to push your company every day to be in an uncomfortable position. So if you don't run ads, you stay in the comfortable zone. You stay in the same zone. You stay in that zone only in which you cannot grow. So you have to understand, you need to push your company to the growth cycle. You need to push your company to the uncomfortable cycle, and it's fine, it's good, it's better, it's nice, it's sunny, it's good, it's very good. Go do it. Make your company, make your employees, bring all the employees in the uncomfortable position so that they can also grow. Yes, they can also grow with this. Alright, that's it for now. These are the 7 things which happen to you when you don't run online ads. If in case you need any help, if in case you need anything from me, just click the link below. I have my website below. You can contact me anytime and I'll be there to help you out. Alright, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.